So that's what's being mentioned here as we, that's why he's saying they know. They know the sweetness. Radha knows the sweetness of Krishna. Krishna knows the sweetness of Radha. But Krishna doesn't know his own sweetness. So he became Mahaprabhu. Because one of the three reasons why Gauranga became Mahaprabhu, because Krishna was thinking, what is this sweetness, Madhuri? There's one verse, it just slips my mind now, but he says, why the three reasons why Lord Krishna came as Lord Chaitanya. I want to taste the Madhurima, Pranayena Madhurima. I want to taste the sweetness of my love that Radharani is tasting. It's like the gulab jamun trying to understand what the tongue is tasting. The gulab jamun is a very juicy, soft, spongy, sweet. And we taste it, and our hair stands on end. I mean, it's good. And we relish it through our sense of taste. And we're saying, whatever, some tasty thing. So that's the gulab jamun is thinking, why is he saying, or she saying, or why is it becoming all wet in here? As soon as I enter into this mouth, it becomes very, very wet because so much saliva is coming because you're excited and the ras, the saliva is a ras, it's flowing. So Krishna, he sees, Radharani is experiencing so much happiness by serving me, and she's relishing my sweetness. So I want to experience the happiness of serving. I want to experience the happiness of being a devotee. I want to experience the sweetness, that my own sweetness which Radharani is experiencing. So Krishna knows the sweetness of Radha, Radha knows the sweetness of Krishna. And then Krishna becomes Gauranga, so he can understand the sweetness that Radha is experiencing in his form as Madhupati Sri Krishna.